Last episode, our crypto and stock portfolio combined added up to around $1,500. This episode we shot way beyond that and made some crazy gains. This was mostly thanks to the crypto market, as it has been going up like crazy. Our crypto portfolio almost caught up with our stock portfolio. So as you can see here, this is the cumulative profit of our crypto portfolio over the last 90 days. As you can see here, the cumulative profits are $222. And if I change this to the last 30 days, you can see we made a cumulative profit of $207. So as you can see, over the last 30 days we made almost all of our profits, $207 out of the 222 cumulative profits over the last 90 days. Our crypto portfolio is now worth over $900 and our stock portfolio is now worth almost $1,200. So these two combined, our portfolio is almost worth $2,100. This does include the $300 we are going to invest in this episode, but this also means that in the next episode we probably are over the 50% mark of our end goal, $5,000. Now let's start with what you are all here for. Let's buy some crypto and some stocks. We have $300 to invest this episode, which of we are going to invest $200 into one stock and 2 times $50 in 2 altcoins. The reason we are only putting $200 into crypto this episode is because the crypto market has been going crazy. A lot of money has been made, so the RR isn't as good as it was before. So that's why we put less money into crypto this episode. The one and only stock we are going to buy this episode probably won't ring a bell when you hear it at first. The stock is called Diageo, I don't even know how to pronounce it, but it is a multinational alcoholic beverage company from Britain, from Great Britain, the UK, whatever you want to call it. As you can see here, they own a lot of the brands you probably know, like Johnny Walker, Baileys, Smirnoff and many more. And as you read before, they own over 200 brands and sell in over 180 countries. For your info, the world consists out of 195 countries, so they are available, their brands are available in almost all countries in the world. If we take a look at the chart, we can clearly see it is nearing a 52-week low. At that share price, it is really attractive to buy some shares here. It is almost too good for us to miss it. So we are going to put $200 into this stock, as we wanted to get bigger positions in the stocks we buy, like I mentioned last episode, and this will give us 1.5 share. Next up, we are going to buy 2 altcoins. I asked our Instagram and Discord for suggestions of altcoins we should buy. We chose one of the altcoins you suggested and we chose one of the altcoins ourselves. The altcoin you guys chose is called GMX. Let me know in the comments if you guys have heard of it. So GMX is a decentralized perpetual exchange, or perpdex like some people like to call it. And GMX is one of 3 tokens that creates the GMX ecosystem. If we take a look at the chart, we can see that it has not been around for too long. It is probably a fairly new exchange, but we can see it recently got out of the range at the bottom and it gained the resistance area. So we are going to put $50 into GMX, which will give us a little more than 1 token right now at the moment I'm recording this. So the second altcoin we are going to buy is called Basic Attention Token, for short BAT. It is a cryptocurrency used in the Brave ecosystem, primarily associated with the Brave browser, which I personally use, as you can see here on the background. And it is designed to revolutionize digital advertising by creating more efficient, fair and a decentralized ad ecosystem. If we take a look at the chart, we see that BAT once traded at around $1 to $1.30 and it is now trading at 22 cents. So it really makes up for a nice RR. But as we know, results in the past are not a guarantee that it will trade at this price again in the future. But we are willing to take that risk with these $50 we have to invest, so we are gonna accept that risk. As you can see on the chart, it recently gained the resistance area where it rejected some time ago, and now we are going to put $50 into a bet, which gives us around 240 tokens. Now I'm going to show you what our current crypto portfolio looks like. Most of our money is in Bitcoin and Ethereum. As you guys can see, we have 6 altcoins in which we don't have really big positions. As you guys know, we like to invest most of our money into Bitcoin and Ethereum as these are the safest options. But you can clearly see that Chainlink has done amazing for us. And I think it will be a very big and important cryptocurrency for the whole crypto space. So the crypto portfolio is now over $915, worth over $915, which is nice, which is good. It has done really well these past few weeks. And now let's take a look at our stock portfolio on eToro. So this is what our stock portfolio is looking like. With the current positions, we're totaling at around $17 in profit. Intel has done really well for us, as you can see. It is keeping our portfolio at a profit, while some other positions are at a minor loss. But I think this will change in the coming months because stocks move slowly. With our technical analysis, they can go up, they can go down, but eventually in a couple months or maybe years, we think all of our positions will be in profit. But of course, that's not guaranteed. Anything can happen. As for the total profits we made with our stocks, it is a bit different because eToro doesn't add the profit of the positions we closed, and it sees that just as money we invested. So if we want to know the total profit we made with stocks, I will have to calculate that by hand by subtracting our deposits on eToro from the total money we have right now on eToro, and the difference is the profit we have made in total on eToro with our stocks. But I can do that next episode if you guys want. For now, I want to thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video interesting, make sure to watch the older videos from where we started with only investing $150 till where we are now at almost $2,100. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.